Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Moto Buds 270. So to call Siri you need to use your right earbud. At the back side, right here we have Motorola logo. This one is touch area. You need to press and hold at this touch area on right earbud, not the left one. So press and hold. And as you can see, Siri awake, so it works. Now, these earbuds have an application, so we cannot customize gestures and we cannot add this feature to another gesture. This one is the only one option. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!